Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about EMS FortiAI, an AI-powered assistant designed to help customers locate, update, and configure EMS settings. Users can submit queries describing their requirements or desired configurations, and the system returns relevant information or performs the requested actions, such as adjusting settings or creating profiles. FortiAI is provided as a separate add-on package and must be installed either during the EMS installation process or afterward using the EMS command line tool. To install FortiAI during EMS installation, the following command and flag are used. Alternatively, FortiAI can be installed after EMS deployment using the EMS CLI command. After installation, FortiAI must be enabled. We can configure this in System Settings under EMS Settings by toggling the FortiAI option on. Once FortiAI is enabled, we can access it by clicking the FortiAI tab. This action opens the FortiAI chat interface. Upon opening the FortiAI chat interface, a set of pre-configured questions is displayed to help us get started quickly. We can select any of these prompts and wait for the corresponding response. For example, selecting the What Can You Do option returns a list of tasks and functions that FortiAI is capable of performing. Each of these categories includes a set of actions that can be requested from FortiAI. So let's look at some of these tasks that FortiAI can perform for us. First, let's ask FortiAI to list endpoints by name, followed by requests to quarantine specific endpoints using their device names. FortiAI requests user approval before proceeding with the quarantine of the endpoints. We can see that FortiAI has quarantined our requested endpoints. Next, let's create a new endpoint profile. In this example, we will prompt FortiAI to create a new firewall profile and name it Off Fabric Firewall, allowing all categories except email, which is set to block. We can see that the firewall profile is successfully created. This can be verified by navigating to the created profile. We can see here that a new firewall profile is available. As the final example, FortiAI is prompted to create a security posture tag. So let's ask FortiAI to create a security posture tag for Windows OS with the EMS connection role named EMS Con, and EMS connected is put under user notifications. And these are the minimum requirements to create a security posture tag. Now, FortiAI has successfully created the security posture tag, which can be verified by clicking the Navigate to this tag button. On the Security Posture tag page, we can verify the name and user notification message that we have assigned. With this, we conclude our video where we have seen how FortiAI integration in FortiClient EMS can assist us with various tasks like listing and quarantining endpoints, creating an endpoint profile, and creating a security posture tag. Thank you for watching.